Your iPhone has hidden features Apple never tells you about. And once you see these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Some of these can save battery, protect your privacy, and make your iPhone insanely faster. Watch till the end because the final feature is something 99% of iPhone users don't know exists. Your iPhone has a hidden button on the back, and Apple barely talks about it. It's called Back Tap, and you can use it to take screenshots, lock your phone, open apps, or even turn on the flashlight. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap. Assign actions to double tap or triple tap. Your iPhone might feel slow, not because it's old, but because apps are draining power in the background. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps you don't actually use. This alone can make your iPhone feel years newer. Here's a trick Apple never explains. Reducing animations actually makes your iPhone feel faster. Settings, Accessibility, Motion, Reduce Motion. Your iPhone tracks which apps access your camera, mic, photos, and location, and Apple hides this deep inside Settings. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, App Privacy Report. This is honestly shocking the first time you see it. You don't need to give apps your real email address. Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, hide my email. Your iPhone can copy text from images, videos, or screenshots instantly. See a phone number on a poster? Just tap it. This feels illegal, but it's real. Press and hold text or images, then swipe to another app while holding it. Your iPhone learns your routine and slows charging at 80% to protect battery health. Settings, Battery, Battery Health, Optimized Charging. This feature has saved lives, and most users don't even know it exists. Your iPhone can automatically call emergency services during a crash. If you learned even one new thing, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe to Digital Efficiency Pro for smart iPhone tips, hidden tech features, and productivity hacks every week. Trust me, your iPhone can do way more than Apple tells you.